here is everything it found. This is soft ramming. I build real tools from scratch. Subscribe if that's your thing. Most people have no idea how much of their identity is stitched together just from one reused username. Reuse it across platforms, and someone can build a full profile on you, your face, your job, your location, even your other accounts. And this isn't theoretical. This is genuinely how a lot of doxing, social engineering, and OSINT record actually starts. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing now, click on the link in the description below. It's a GitHub link. After clicking on that link, you arrive at this page. So what we intend to do now is to extract the files from this repository. So we are going to click on this code, and we have two options here. We can either clone the URL or download it as a zip file. So I choose to download mine as a zip file. So I'm heading now to my terminal in my Kali Linux. So I have to navigate to my downloads directory. And after that, I need to also navigate to my repository that I just downloaded. So after doing that, I want to clear my terminal, then head back to my GitHub. So let's scroll down to the README section. So this explains how to use it properly. So this is just a one way you could just quickly do it here, but you need requirement. The first requirement that you ought to download is the requirement.txt. Let me click on it so you see what it asks for. You must have requests and beautiful soup for installed in your Python. So there are two options. After cloning, you can decide to use a virtual environment if you're on Kali, or you can decide to just install it without a virtual environment. So I've done that. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to open it. So after copying, to paste here, shift insert. So what I intend to do now is to type in a username. Let me type in my username and click on enter. So currently now what it's doing is that it's checking on all major platforms. It's checking on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, X, GitHub, GitLab, Steam, and every public social media to try and gather all information. So let's wait for it a little while it's doing that. Alright, so it is done with the major platform. Now it is scanning 13 more platform. So immediately it scans, it automatically opens here. So right now, so this is the main page. So you can see what's public about at SoftRami. We checked 26 places online where a public profile could exist under this username and found three of them. So we checked 26 places and there are about three public profiles found. So let's check. So on Instagram, you can see my name is there, tells me my bio, how many I'm following. And on GitHub, it brings about my name, which is Daniel. On Telegram, it also brings about my name. So this is every single thing. It was able to scan the website. So in a case now when you don't want an account or you don't want your some of your informations to be out there, it's simple. You can decide to delete or deactivate them. It completely removes the public profile completely. For the ones you keep, you can some platforms allow you to hide your name, your bio, your location. So basically, that's what you are going to be able to do so that you also have an option here. You can decide to save as PDF or download as spreadsheet. You can even click show found. So only the ones that have been found will currently show you. So if you have any question, you stumble onto a problem while doing this, please feel free to reach out in the comment section. I will respond and give you my best support. So thank you once more. If you found it helpful, please subscribe, share, and like this video. It really helps us to do more of this.